Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Revolut account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the More tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Security option. This section contains all the security features available for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-factor Authentication or 2FA. Toggle the switch to enable it. You may be prompted to enter your password for verification. Step 5. Choose your 2FA method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as SMS or an authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Revolut account, enhancing your security.